What's going on, everyone? Today's video we are going to look at a solution that might work for you or might not work for you. Okay, so this is going based off of the comments that I got for the Apple AirPods Pro when connected to a Samsung A51 phone here. It's gonna be like glitchy, it's gonna skip, you're not gonna hear the music well. It's gonna have this sort of scratching sound in the background. And I went back ahead, I tried it out. I didn't experience it with my AirPods Pro, but I did notice it with the Apple AirPods 2, okay? And I guess the best way around this so far, and again, this might not work for anyone or everyone, but you're better off just trying it. It's free, you don't have nothing to lose. So first, you wanna go ahead and download this app, Andropods. It's one that I've used in the past on my other Samsung phone, and it has done wonders for me. It's free, you don't need the Pro version, just go ahead and download it, and I'll show you in a minute how it actually works. Okay, so first things first, you want to connect your Apple AirPods, and this might be a bit on the glitchy side that it doesn't work right away. So turn this on. All right, so it's going to start searching for nearby devices. Pop open your AirPods 2, and you'll need to long press the power button on the back here. There's a button on the back of the case here, so you'll hold it down until you see that soft white blinking light, that right there. Okay, so go ahead and wait for that to stop and then scan again while it's in the soft white blinking light mode. So go ahead and scan now. So do this again, hold it down, make sure it's blinking like that, tap on it, it's gonna say pairing. You might not get it to connect right away on the first time, but when you see this, just okay that. See, it says couldn't pair, whatever. So what we're gonna do here is scan again. And I didn't have this issue with my AirPods Pro, but I noticed with the AirPods 2, it's giving me that issue. So as long as it has this soft white blinking light, it's in the manual pairing mode. Tap on it, it's gonna say pairing. And I'm doing the troubleshooting with you guys as you're watching the video. So okay that, and there you go. You see, it says connected for calls and audio. Now in some cases, it might disconnect on its own automatically, but for the most part, it's actually connected right now. So we'll take that out. Okay, now before we actually use the app, and I don't know if it's going to actually do this because now I'm actually recording, but based on my little trials and errors and all that stuff, while playing the music from YouTube, it's been doing that skippy kind of sound that you all were talking about with the AirPods 2. So I'm going to play a song here. You can pay attention to it. I'm going to put it right into the mics of this phone, so lower the volume if anything. All right, so I don't know if you heard anything. I actually didn't hear anything in skipping because it was kind of away from my ears. But again, when I first connected them the first time to my Samsung A51 phone, I did experience it. I see what you all are talking about. So again, what happened is what I did was downloaded the Andropods app, and you want to activate it first. It's going to say Andropods activated. You'll see the battery percentage shows up for you. And once you actually do this, you don't even need to use the app. Just have it on in the background. You'll see that percentage next to the time of your phone. So 95%, which means the battery life of the AirPods itself. And then we'll go back to YouTube here. And as you play the song, it's gonna okay, so if you did hear the glitchiness before, this should be better. Okay. So that's pretty much it for the video. I'd say just try it. It might work for you, it might not work for you. Just give it a try, see the differences. And what you're gonna have to do after you download the app, if your AirPods 2 is already connected, go ahead and unpair it and reconnect the AirPods 2 but you want to activate the app before connecting the AirPods to it. Because this way, when it connects, it's going to actually show up, give you that sort of pop-up animation as if it's connected to an iPhone. All right, so I'll show you here in a moment here quickly. All right, let's come out of that. Okay, I hope it's going to work like this. Okay, so there you go. Open this up. Just wait for it. I might have not even, yeah, there you go. So you see, it's going to show you the AirPods thing. It's going to show you the volume as it's connecting, and it's actually connected. Okay, so it's a great app. Just try it. And of course, if it doesn't work for you, all you got to do is uninstall it. You have nothing to lose. You don't need to dislike the video. Just give it a try. It's just my way of trying to help you out there without spending any additional money. It worked for me. I noticed the music was streaming far more better than how it was before. So it's a difference. And you let me know in the comment section. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications if you are new to my channel, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial. See ya.